아니, 주문하자마자 선불, 현금 결제 한마디에 끝나버리는데요. 여러분, 외국인들이 한국에 오면 불고기, 삼겹살, 치킨은 꼭 먹어보려고 합니다. 그런데 유독 한 가지 음식만큼은 한국 사람들도 쉽게 권하지 못하는데요. 바로 콩국수입니다. 고소한 맛을 좋아하는 사람에게는 평생 잊지 못할 별미지만 반대로 처음 먹어본 사람들은 이게 대체 무슨 맛이지? 하며 고개를 갸우뚱하는 경우도 많습니다. 그래서 한국 사람들조차 외국인에게 콩국수 한번 드셔보세요 라고 선뜻 권하기가 쉽지 않은 음식인데요. 그런데 이번에 소개해드릴 외국인은 조금 다릅니다. 한국에 올 때마다 다른 음식보다 먼저 콩국수를 찾고 한 그릇을 먹고도 부족해서 또 다른 콩국수 맛집을 찾아다닐 정도인데요. 아니, 도대체 콩국수가 얼마나 맛있길래 이 정도로 푹 빠진 걸까요? 과연 이 외국인은 한국 콩국수에 어떤 매력에 빠지게 되었을까요? 지금부터 함께 알아보겠습니다.
But it's one of Korea's most controversial foods. People either seem to love it or hate it. I would go as far as to say it's my favorite Korean food. So for the next few days, I will go to a few kongguksu matjibs in search of my favorite bowl. To kick off this journey, let's make our way over to Yeouido, to one of Seoul's most legendary kongguksu houses. So for my first stop, I came to the basement of Yeouido department store, and I'm looking for a place called Jinjujib. And apparently, this is a kongguksu restaurant that has been around since 1974. I found it, and wow, the line is quite long. I read that because Yeouido is a place where there are so many offices and obviously office workers, this is a very popular place for lunch, but it's not even peak lunchtime, it's like 2:30. But the line is still quite long. It looks like they only have 3 items on the menu, but I'm definitely going to go with the ning. It's extremely thick. And then we have some kimchi on the side. I don't know what type of kimchi. Let's take a look at the quality of this broth. The reason why the broth is so important is because kongguksu is a pretty simple dish. It's essentially just noodles and soybean broth, so every kongguksu restaurant lives or dies by the quality of its broth. A really good kongguksu broth should be smooth and nutty and naturally sweet from the soybeans. I once had a kongguksu with this chunky, thin, watered-down broth, and it was barely edible, but as you can see, that's not the case here. It almost looks like cream pasta just with soybean broth. It could be because it's 34 degrees right now, but this is exceptionally fresh. And the service is very fast here. This came out in like 3 minutes. I'll also give it a good rating because the kimchi is extremely strong.
콩국수를 먹기 위해 주키니가 찾은 곳은 바로 여의도의 진주집이었습니다. 1974년부터 한자리를 지켜온 이곳은 콩국수를 좋아하는 사람이라면 한 번쯤은 들어봤을 정도로 유명한 맛집인데요. 특히 여의도는 수많은 직장인들이 모여있는 곳이다 보니 점심시간만 되면 콩국수 한 그릇을 먹기 위해 많은 사람들이 이곳을 찾는다고 합니다. 과연 어떤 맛이길래 50년 넘게 꾸준히 사랑받고 있는 걸까요? 주문을 마친 지우키니. 잠시 기다리자. 놀랍게도 콩국수가 금세 테이블 위에 올라옵니다. 그런데 제 눈길을 사로잡은 건 콩국수만이 아니었습니다. 바로 옆에서는 직원들이 직접 김치를 버무리고 있었는데요. 갓 담근 김치의 먹음직스러운 모습에 절로 군침이 돌기 시작합니다. 사실 한국 사람들은 콩국수를 먹을 때 김치를 함께 곁들여 먹는 경우가 정말 많은데요. 고소하고 진한 콩국수에 아삭하면서도 칼칼한 김치가 더해지면 느끼함은 잡아주고 감칠맛은 한층 살아납니다. 그래서 많은 사람들이 콩국수에는 김치가 빠지면 섭섭하다고 말할 정도인데요.
Kongguksu, even though I eat it quite often. We'll get to that later in this vlog. Usually I see kongguksu at 10,000 won or maybe 11 in one day, so I'll see you tomorrow for the next matjib. Today I have come to Yangjae-dong, and I always feel really underdressed when I come to this district because it's a bougie district and I'm always dressed like very casually. The restaurant that I'm going to go to today here in Gaepodong is like yesterday. It's got a long history. It's been open also for over 40 years, but it's a
진주집에서 깊은 인상을 받은 지우치니. 그런데 다음 날도 발걸음은 또다시 국수집으로 향했습니다. 이번에 찾은 곳은 강남 양재의 개포동 밀란국수. 과연 이번 콩국수는 전날과 어떤 차이를 보여줄까요?
Grown in Korea. 안녕하세요. 소토리 콩국수 하나랑
소리대 하나,
네, 메밀전 하나 주세요.
메밀전 하나.
네, 감사합니다.
소리대 하나, 메밀전 하나.
So on the side here, you can choose between the sugar and the salt. So today I want to try a version of kongguksu that I haven't tried before. So the two styles being salty and then the other style being sweet. The sweet one is usually more common in, from what I have heard, jola, but I haven't tried it yet before. And to me, it's
드디어 기다리던 콩국수 등장. 그런데 이곳은 일반 면이 아닌 메밀면을 사용한 콩국수였는데요.
we have black soybean kongguksu with buckwheat noodles, and then we have a buckwheat pancake in banchan, of course, kimchi, and I forgot the name of that one. It does seem
그런데 콩국수가 나오자마자 설탕을 듬뿍 넣기 시작하는데요. 아니, 저 정도면 콩국수보다 설탕이 더 많은 거 아닌가요? 역시 질친이도 고소한 콩물에 달콤한 맛까지 더해 먹는 걸 정말 좋아하는 것 같습니다.
okay. I'll try that much for now. Wow. Just look at this color. I know it's gray, but to me it's kind of beautiful. Let's test out the thickness. It really looks more like a yogurt to me than a soybean soup. These buckwheat noodles just have a completely different texture. They're much more springy and firm. My first impressions, by far the best kongguksu I've ever had. Yesterday's was fantastic, but I think the black soybean in this is just made with such high quality. You can tell by just the first taste, and it's extremely smooth. There are absolutely no clumps in here, like solid, soybean clumps, which is probably the number one thing that I would look for in a kongguksu. I think the black soybeans here add a naturally nuttier, more roasted flavor that you just can't get with white soybeans. But when you add
그런데 콩국수만큼 중요한 게 하나 더 있습니다. 바로 김치인데요. 콩국수를 제대로 즐기는 사람들에게는 김치 맛도 절대 빼놓을 수 없는 요소입니다. 주친이도 김치를 한 입 먹자마자 천천히 음미하기 시작하는데요. 과연 이 김치도 콩국수만큼 만족스러운 맛이었을까요?
is definitely better than yesterday's. The kimchi here kind of tastes like standard kimchi, whereas yesterday's kimchi was like particularly distinct. Maybe it's just because this isn't my favorite type of kimchi. It's okay.
그런데 이 집에는 콩국수 말고도 숨은 메뉴가 하나 있었습니다. 바로 메밀로 만든 메밀전인데요. 아니, 메밀로 전을 만든다고요? 처음 보는 메뉴에 호기심이 생긴 제친이는 망설임 없이 주문합니다. 과연 이 메밀전은 어떤 맛이었을까요?
It's so fresh with so many vegetables. A lot less greasy than the other types of jeon. I mean, I like basak jeon as well, but I think I've been so focused on how good of quality this kongguksu is that
방금도 설탕을 한가득 넣더니 이번에는 답답했는지 소스통에 구멍까지 뚫어버립니다. 아니, 설탕 넣는 양부터가 남다른데요? 이 정도면 한국 사람들보다 더 확실한 설탕파인 것 같습니다.
I understand where they're coming from now. This is a lot of sugar.
다음으로 찾은 곳은 강남역에 위치한 강남교자였는데요. 이곳의 콩국수는 다른 집과는 조금 달랐습니다. 바로 쑥을 넣어 만든 면을 사용하기 때문에 면발이 선명한 초록빛을 띠는 것이 가장 큰 특징인데요. 아니, 콩국수에 쑥이라니. 과연 어떤 맛이 날까요?
Our third bowl of kongguksu for the third day in a row. you're right. We're in Gangnam. And I'm gonna head to a place called Gangnam Gyoza. It's a different branch of the Myeongdong Gyoza, which is a quite popular noodle place in Myeongdong. I have not been in Gangnam for a long time, like a year and a half. 안녕하세요. 한 명. 네, 감사합니다. As you can 콩국수 하나 주세요. 네, 콩국수면 초록색이나요? It's dead empty in here right now. And I don't know, that's because I'm eating at 3:54 p.m., so it's kind of a dead hour, or because we'll see.
이번에는 자리에 앉자마자 콩국수보다 김치부터 맛을 봅니다. 이 정도면 콩국수보다 김치가 더 중요한 것 같은데요.
Wow, green kongguksu. The color is really vibrant. Wow. I do really like how they have cucumber and some sesame seeds here. But the kongguksu soy milk, as you can see, looks more runny than the previous 2 days. Yeah, it's much thinner. Doesn't mean it's going to be bad though. I mean, the noodle pull is still quite strong though. I should probably cut these noodles. Now, if you couldn't tell already, the reason I was curious about this place, these noodles, is because they're green.
The secret is the chlorella.
So, like, basically, kind of an algae in the water. Though the broth is not the best kongguksu broth I've ever had, I will give this place good points because their kimchi is exceptional. It tastes like it's been hanging out in a good fridge for a long time. Still a really good bowl of kongguksu. Like, I would still give it an 8 out of 10. Surprisingly, even though the noodles look like they would taste, much different, it's not all that significant. The only difference is pretty much that they have a bit of a more earthy taste since they're made from algae. And I like the addition of the cucumber. It makes it extra fresh.
아니, 쑥으로 만든 콩국수가 얼마나 맛있었던 걸까요? 정신없이 먹다 보니 어느새 그릇이 깨끗하게 비워져 있었습니다. 그런데 주키니의 콩국수 투어는 아직 끝나지 않았습니다. 마지막으로 찾은 곳은 시청역 인근에 위치한 진주회관이었는데요. 이곳은 콩국수를 좋아하는 사람들 사이에서는 빼놓을 수 없는 대표적인 맛집으로 손꼽히는 곳입니다. 과연 여러 콩국수를 맛본 제유친이도 마지막까지 만족스러운 한 그릇을 만나게 될까요?
Full, so it better be a good one. Waiting in front of a matjib is even more validation of a place's credibility than its naver reviews, though, at least in Korea. Like, this is literally how Koreans are spending their public holiday today. I think I'm like halfway through the waiting line, and it's been 25 minutes. 너무 배고파. So hungry, so thirsty. I think it's been almost 50 minutes. I've never waited in line this long for just food, or maybe for anything. But we're nearing the end. I think I've got 10 minutes left.
아니, 주문하자마자 선불, 현금 결제 한마디에 끝나버리는데요.
수 하나 있어요.
선물 캐시
캐시
카드
only?
네, 크레딧 카드.
Okay, 잠시만요. These are made from potato starch, I believe. Oh, the kimchi looks so fresh as well. Wow. It looks like jolmyeon. One is not that spicy. It's really crunchy.
콩국수를 맛보던 주키니. 그런데 조금 심심하게 느껴졌는지 망설임 없이 설탕을 찾는데요.
The noodles have this kind of like sweetness to it. That I think comes from the potato starch. But I think it's the broth here that really does it. This has got to be the thickest broth out of all the places I've tried.
그런데 조금 전과는 달리 주친이가 말없이 콩국수를 먹기 시작하는데요. 이번에는 조용히 한 그릇에 집중하는 모습입니다. 조금 전 직원의 빠른 말투가 아직도 신경 쓰였던 걸까요? 평소 같으면 계속 이야기를 하던 지우친이도 이번만큼은 말없이 콩국수에만 집중하는 모습입니다.
They even refill all your kimchi. Endless amounts. Kongguksu tour complete.